This screencast video will show DCU module coordinators how to access the responses to the Students' Survey of Teaching, SSOT, and how to publish feedback back to students. Arising from an academic council decision in 2024, DCU faculties now survey 1/3 of their modules each year as part of the SSOT process. In a given semester, if your module has been selected for an SSOT, it will be automatically deployed to your Loop module page, and students will have a set window to respond to it anonymously. When that window closes, you should take some time to review and reflect on the responses. To access responses, navigate to the Questionnaire Manager block on the right-hand side of your Loop page, and select the link for the Course Questionnaire report. You may wish to download the responses as a spreadsheet for offline analysis, or you may wish to review them on screen. Scroll down and look at the quantitative responses, and then keep scrolling to access individual qualitative responses. At the bottom of the screen, there is a text box to enter your feedback. Follow the advice provided in the materials on the Teaching and Learning Leaders page on Loop around how to synthesize the student responses, consider the emerging themes, and how you might respond to them via your feedback. Read the information on screen about how this publishing process works, and when ready, begin entering your feedback. You can use the usual text editor functions to format the text as you wish. Please note you cannot upload an image or a video directly into this text box, but you can embed an image or video that is hosted elsewhere, for example in your Google Drive or on YouTube or a Zoom cloud recording link. When ready, choose Save and Publish. Students will receive a notification on Loop that feedback is available, as well as via the Loop mobile app if they have it installed. They will also get an email copy of your feedback. From the student point of view, it's very easy to access the feedback. They can follow the notification they receive on Loop, or they can select the link which now appears for them on their Loop module page. Students never see the raw qualitative responses, nor do they see any SSOT feedback until the teacher publishes it. They see the quantitative responses, and they see the feedback composed by the Loop teacher if the Loop teacher has composed and published some.